Hey friends, it's Jessie with Shop Sweet Lulu, and today we're going to be making my favorite pom-poms. So let's grab our yarn, and we're just going to unwrap this guy here and find the loose end of the yarn. Then we're going to take our pom-pom maker and open up the two curved arms. We're going to wrap the yarn around both of the arms together, all the way around, wrapping. I work left to right because I'm right-handed, but you could work right to left if you're left-handed. When we come to the end of this side, we've kept the yarn intact and opened up the other side and are just doing the same. Now we can close this, and we're going to trim our yarn. I'm also going to take maybe an 8-inch piece and set that aside to tie up our pom-pom. So I've got my scissors and it's in the groove right between the two arms, and we're going to go all the way around, just cutting all of the threads. Now we'll take that reserved piece of yarn and really wedge it in there between both sides of the pom-pom maker. And I'm going to double knot this just to make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Okay, and then we can open up both sides of the pom-pom maker and wiggle this guy out of there. I like to roll it in my hands and really try to fluff it up. So once it's looking nice and fluffy, I'm just going to take my scissors and give it a little haircut, just a little trim to cut off those extra long fibers. We're not going to waste a lot of yarn, just tiny little cuts. Then I'm going to fluff them up again, and ta-da!